भित्र पस्न आँटेको कि अब यस्तो अन्डरग्राउन्ड जस्तो देखिरहेछ तर अन्डरग्राउन्ड के
Look, it's Santa Claus.
Yeah, Santa Claus is here.
Santa Claus is not here.
हेर्नु न यहाँ भित्र हामी पसिन्छ
I want to go inside really. But it looks like
75 को कमाल हेर्नुहोस् है
Wait.
Yeah.
So with the cavern, it started out as a limestone mine from the early 30s all the way up to the early 70s. Then Kentucky came up with a mining law stating that in order to mine the land below you, you have to own the land above you. The Louisville Zoo beat the miners to the ownership of this land in the 60s, hence why it became abandoned in about 1973. Well, during that time, it was set up for auction with the bidding starting at $10 million, and three men by the name of Jim, Tom, and Tim bought this place and turned it into Mother Earth Recycling. During the time Mother Earth, what was recycled here was various forms of inorganic materials, so, you know, things that you find construction sites, such as concrete, asphalt, a little bit of rebar. So, it was later, about late 80s, early 90s, that these gentlemen decided to go on vacation, specifically towards zip lining and adventure parks, which brings us to with the idea of making the cavern as we see it today, with the tourist attraction. So with our light show event, they started that about, I want to say about 5 or 6 years ago.
Okay.
And I've been doing it. With it, it's about 200 different light show displays made up about 2 to 3 billion points of light. We had started setting up for this back in October. It's the only holiday event we really do down here because while the light show display frame with the design in it that you guys saw, that's already pre-made for us. We actually have to put in the points of light by hand, and that's all done by one woman.
Hello guys, we are going to the cave now.
Take your time.
Guys, look.
Bye. Okay.
There's no smoking, vaping, stopping. If you know your vehicle, please turn off your headlights.
Okay. Wait, we start. Done. Huh?
We know. Yay! Yeah.
Window open na.
Yeah. Look. Oh my gosh, superheroes. That's Hulk. Yeah, this one's Aquaman. Look over there on the wall, Mommy. Look on the wall.
Yeah, look. Jesus, yeah?
Yeah, he made Christmas. It's Christmas.
Happy birthday, Jesus!
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Keep the segment, isn't it?
Turn.
Chris,
Yeah, doing it.
Yeah, something like that. Wow.
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 I think it took them time to make all of this, right? We should appreciate this work. Jesus. Yeah. And Your teacher ko pani. Look. Wow. That's it. Yeah. मेरो अघि पक्का.
बिस्तारै नै एकछिन जाने यहाँ चाहिँ
Ho ho ho. Look Santa. Look at the reindeers. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. We're going in, we're going in, we're going in. Whoa! Amazing.
Happy birthday to you, Jesus.
It looks so good up there, Mommy. You can only see the walls, Mommy. Yeah! Santa!
Yeah, Santa.
It's Santa! That's how Santa gets into our house.
Yeah.
Santa 10 देखि आउँछ हैन and then the presents देखि कस्तो मोटो छ he can't fit in. Door पनि front door lock हुन्छ that's why he has to go on the roof.
I think Santa पनि अब slim हुन्छ क्या?
Yeah.
Look there, Santa is slim now.
No, he always eats cookie and milk. That's why he got fat. He loves cookie and milk. Look, it's reindeers. Is that ABCD?
ABCD?
Yeah. He's playing golf.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a juta? It's Egyptian, Mommy. Egypt. That parachute. Christmas trees. There. Mommy, look where we're going. Such beautiful place. I don't regret this. यहाँ नाचिरहेछ
Spider, yeah?
Yes, a spider, I think. No, it's a snowman. Jack Jack. I don't know these names. Happy holidays.
This place, yeah? Grace?
Yeah. Yes, I love it so much.
Ibu, you like?
Yes.
You like it? Yeah. Look.
Look at Gotti. American Eagle.
Thank you for your service.
Is that all?
God bless the USA.
God bless the USA.
America the capital kuno.
Yeah, Washington DC.
Wow, Grace, you like it? Gebu, you love it? Yes, me too. Gebu na गर्नु
wanna build a snowman. Look, a pirate ship. Look, it's Tinkerbell.
Yeah, Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell on it. Tinkerbell, oh Tinkerbell on it. Jasmine. This is Jasmine the princess. Dinosaur. I don't know. Look. Whoa. T-Rex. Look, T-Rex. Dinosaurs. Look, Nana, T-Rex. T-Rex.
Dinosaur.
Look.
Santa Claus आइपुगेको रहेछ हाम्रो घरमा आइपुगेको छैन नि
अन्त त होइन
अन्त त
भा नेपालमा आउँछ Look at the trees, the rainbow. Look, it's Bigfoot. Look, Bigfoot. And BB-8. Gabe. Look, Minions. Gabe, you can take your mask off. It's okay. Look, an elephant. Okay.
Oh, almost done. We're done.
हामी घुमिसक्यौँ
Okay.
No.
It's the light. Christmas light show.
ठक्कै भने जस्तै 1 घन्टा लाग्दो रहेछ नि
I don't want it to be done.
No.
फेरि जाने हो
Yeah.
टिकट छैन त
Oh.
यति मात्रै टिकट त्यतिको
That's true.
बाई बाई
No. That was short. Nana, you know Santa Claus line? That's almost like an episode movie.
To be continued next
Episode.
episode
Bye bye.
भनेर 52 भयो उहाँ पुग्दा गर्दा ठिकै हुन्छ ए घुमिसक्यौँ अब हो पर्फेक्ट फर्केको अब अन्धकारमयमा हामी भित्र पसेको छौँ हो अब यस्तो ठाउँ आएको छ हेर्नुहोस् न अगाडि के बोलिरहेछ झिलिली भन्नु नभएको